We've always had a deep desire to foster, but we weren't actively looking to do it until we received a phone call that Toya's great nieces were placed in foster care. We started doing the foster parenting classes and took the steps to get the kids in our home. We fostered them for a few months, and then the girls became available for adoption, and we did so.
After we went through the classes, they asked us if we were interested in taking the child into our home, and we said yes.
Our first placement was an infant. It was a boy. We have all girls, so she was a sucker for that. Then we had a teenager.
Yes, it was a really great experience. Our current placement is a sibling group. They're sisters, and they've been with us for about 1.5 years now. And they've been immediately a part of our family. I think we make a very good team because Keisha is absolutely, hands down, one of the best mothers I've seen. She balances everything, and I'm just amazed when I see what she's able to do.
It taught me that Toya is a really great provider. Whatever I need, whatever the girls need, she's always there. At the end of the night, when I look at them sleeping in bed, they're safe, they're happy, and I just couldn't imagine it any other way. There are so many kids out there in need of a safe, loving home. If you have the space and the availability, just do it.